The story of a special tree. In a small village, there was a special tree at the center of the community. The villagers believed this tree was magical because it could feel people's emotions. They gather under its shade to celebrate happy moments, share their sorrows, and solve problems together. The tree had been there for generations, and it was considered a symbol of hope and unity. One year, the village faced a terrible drought. The crops dried up, the rivers stopped flowing, and people began to lose hope. Some villagers decided to cut the tree down to use its wood for survival, but others strongly opposed this idea. They believed cutting the tree would bring misfortune to the village because it was sacred. During this conflict, a young boy named Aarav stepped forward. Aarav loved the tree because he had spent his childhood playing under its branches. He begged the villagers to give him time to save the tree. Every day, Aarav walked to the neighboring village to fetch water and poured it at the base of the tree. His dedication inspired other children, and soon the entire village joined him. After weeks of care, the tree slowly regained its strength. To everyone's surprise, the tree produced a special kind of fruit. This fruit could survive even in harsh conditions, and its seeds could grow into trees quickly. The villagers planted these seeds all over the village. Soon, the barren land was filled with greenery, and the village became prosperous again. The tree became a symbol of resilience and hope. Aarav grew up to be a wise leader who reminded the villagers of the lessons the tree had taught them, that love, unity, and perseverance could overcome any challenge. The villagers passed down the story of the special tree to future generations, teaching them the value of nature and togetherness.